Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a digital sticker for you to sell on Etsy. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm gonna need you to go to your computer browser. I'm just gonna let you show how you can actually sell on Etsy. So first, we're gonna go to the Etsy website, that is www.etsy.com. And once you are in your Etsy website, just log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Now, as you can see right here, once you are in your Etsy account, just go to Shop Manager right here and go to your Stock Your Shop right here, and I'm just going to show you how you can add a listing of your digital product. So right here, I'm just going to click on Add a Listing, and as you can see, I can add the photo of my digital sticker right here. And you can add a video if you have, and you can add a title of your digital sticker. You can also choose renewal options right here. You can also select digital right here, so make sure the type should be digital because you are selling a digital product on Etsy. Now once you've done that, just fill all the informations right here, like the shape, the size, and the color of your digital product, and the materials that has been used. And of course, under inventory and pricing, you can set the price that you want. So it's very simple as that. So once you've done that and you want to actually make a digital sticker, I personally use Canva. So go to your Canva and click on Login into your Canva, or create a account for Canva if you still don't have an account. Now once you're in Canva, under right here, the search your content or for Canva, just search for digital stickers. So as you can see right here, there are a lot of contents for you to use or templates. So some are free and some requires a pro version of Canva right here, and some requires a one-time payment for you to use the product. Now let's just I'm gonna select a template for us to use. So I'm gonna select this template right here and click on Customize this template. And as you can see right here, this is the template that you will be using. So if you want this sticker, you can just automatically download this sticker by sharing right here, and of course click on download right here. But if you want to customize this, I'm gonna let you show you how. So I'm gonna delete all of this, and of course if you want to add a file or a image to your digital sticker, I'm just gonna click on uploads right here, and let's say for example I'm gonna use this sticker right here, or this image of a dog. So you can drag that one if you like, and make sure not to over drag this one, because as you can see, it will minimize the pixels that results into a blurry image. So I'm just gonna put this one right here like that. And now if you want to add some text to your sticker, you can select text right here and click on add a text box. So I'm just gonna drag that real quick to make it look bigger, and I'm gonna say golden retriever. And of course you can change the font style right here and change the font size right there, and make sure to fit all of your subject into one circle right here, because once you print this, this is the guidelines, or this is the lines you will be cutting out. And once you've done that, you can add a background to your sticker. So just go to designs right here. Of course, select a background that you want. So I'm gonna select this one right here, and of course select a color to add to your background, so like that. And if you want to add some more stickers, you can just click on this one right here to add a page, and of course you can add another sticker that you want, of course. So for this time I'm gonna choose this one right here, And now just make sure to drag on that. And as you can see, once I drag on that, the pixels right here, or the image becomes blurry. So make sure not to over drag this one, or make sure to choose a photo that is high quality to avoid those. So I'm just gonna select another photo right here, so this one. So as you can see, once I drag that one, it has a lot of blurriness to it, and right here. So as you can see, this is a perfect example of a high quality photo right here. And just add another text if you like that. You can choose a text that has been made by Canva. Let's say lovely dogs, and of course you can change the font style right here and change the font size, and of course you can change the font color as well. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, and there you have it. So make sure to choose a high quality image for your sticker if you have an image, or if you don't have an image in mind, you can just add a photo from the element section, and of course choose any photo that you want, or choose any topic or subject that you want to add. So for example, I'm just going to click on dogs right here. So there are a lot of photos as well from the Canva templates. So for example, right here, I'm going to add this one. So as you can see, this is high quality already. Just add a text to it like that. Or if you don't want to add a text, you can just simply drag on this real quick. And of course, make sure that the circle guideline right here is visible. And because this will be where you will be cutting out the sticker. And of course, we don't want any mess up when you print that one. So of course, make sure to fill the photo right here, or fill the Canva or the canvas right here to have a high quality print out stickers. So once you've done that, you can just click on share right here and download. And of course, make sure it is PNG because this is a digital sticker, or if you want to print a printable sticker, just select PDF print right here, best for printing. So this video is all about digital stickers, so I'm just going to select a PNG file type right here, and of course click on download right there. Just wait for the download to process, and of course you can now select a folder or a drive where you want to save your file. So as you can see right here, I've already saved mine right here. So just right click on that and extract the file where you want to be. So as you can see, I already have my digital stickers ready for uploads to Etsy for me to sell. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!